Hello. So this week I built an automated end-to-end workflow. Now what it does is it's a marketing tool that you can use to track a particular product. What it does is if the negative news, it will log it for you on your Slack and notify you that there is a particular negative news online about your product. And if there is a positive news, it will log it for you in your Airtable base. And both the negative and the positive news, it will log it for you in your Google Sheet so you can visualize the news however you want to use it. This is an awesome tool. I can't wait to show you. Let's get to it.
This is the workflow setup that uses nodes to log notifications. The product that is tracking is Open API. So with this Open API, it will track whether there are any negative mentions or positive mentions. So you can see the modules, the code that runs it, and then the notifications. I also set a conditional block. This conditional block will check for negative mentions or positive mentions. So you can see that there is the Slack module and there is the Airtable module. And you execute the workflow and it will run. And when it's running, it will log in all those items. You can see there are about 19 items that it has already classified it for you. About 3 items that are negative mentions and 16 items that are positive mentions. So when it finish executing, we can check all these applications now. When we check Airtable, you see that it has logged 16. Well, I've been running this over time, so it's more than 16, but it's the positive mentions that is logging. And when you check Slack, it's logging the negative mentions that it has already received, and you can see it mostly has to do with Open API news that is detected to be of negative news. And then when you also check the Google Sheets, when you check Google Sheet, you see all both the positive mentions, negative mentions. It has logged all of them